I have my eyes on Tesla shares all day today. A big partnership with Hilton. They're going to be bringing those Tesla superchargers to Hilton. Over 20,000 chargers are going to be at different Hilton brands, and they're going to connect over 2,000 chargers, and you can install 20,000 chargers total. Interesting partnership when you think about what this means for Hilton. There you go. There's the full metrics. It's 2,000 hotels. It's 20,000 chargers, and you can charge up to 6 cars per hotel. And so it's going to be interesting to see how this plays out, I think, for what it means for Hilton, because I would think this helps you get people that drive Teslas to your hotel and is a benefit for Hilton as a business specifically. And that to me is part of what Elon Musk's pitch has been with these chargers, is bring the chargers to your business, and the people that drive my cars are going to come to your business more.
Right.
There is a key component of Tesla's business model that bears fail to realize, and this could potentially send Tesla's stock price up the chart in a matter of years. This vital component is none other than Tesla's supercharging network. While many fail to realize the massiveness of this project, it does not change the fact that it will contribute a large quota of Tesla's revenue in the future. In fact, co-founder and senior vice president of Sapiens Decision, Larry Goldberg, has recently said that Tesla's supercharging business could yield as much as $3 per Tesla share within the next 5 years. In a recent tweet, the expert described Tesla's supercharging business as a small, profitable, and rapidly growing corner of the Tesla empire that has a significant future. This proves one thing, that Tesla already has a money-printing machine that'll begin operation in no time.
We're seeing here is Tesla play into providing their chargers in multiple different opportunities. A few weeks ago, we were talking about Tesla inventing a diner for people to crowd. And so really, I feel like Elon Musk has done a pretty interesting job at sort of creating a community around Tesla drivers and really inviting people now with this Hilton partnership, but really sort of a monopoly of sorts where they're attracted to go to places that have a Tesla. And we were talking about the specific charger that Tesla now has control over it. Honda in a few years will get access to the same type of charger. And really Tesla doing a great job here at creating themselves as a leader in the EV space.
Yeah, it seems like Tesla is making sure that its chargers are available to as many places as possible, and really monopolizing that market. And I think the more the EV market matures, and you're already seeing so many of these car manufacturers lean into the EV boom, the more you're going to see this, not just at hotels, but also, you know, more superchargers maybe when you're driving on the highway. I think right now that's something that's lacking, but as more people adopt EVs, obviously you have government incentives as well. That's going to be more and more the norm.
My head just immediately...
Tesla's business model has built a global network of superchargers, which are fast charging stations that can replenish batteries of Tesla vehicles in minutes. The car maker offers destination chargers, which are slower charging stations that can be found in hotels, restaurants, and other places where customers may spend some time. These charging networks give its customers convenience and peace of mind, and they can travel long distances without any range anxiety. This Tesla project creates a network effect. As more customers buy Tesla vehicles, more charging stations are built, which attracts more customers. Hey guys, welcome back to Tesla Tomorrow. Tesla has agreed to more than double its supercharger network. The US government recently laid out final standards for its plan to build a national network of 500,000 electric vehicle chargers alongside highways, including a requirement that all EV chargers funded through the Inflation Reduction Act must be built in the United States. In pursuit of its mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy, Tesla is opening its EV connector design up to the world. It's also invited charging network operators and vehicle manufacturers to put the Tesla charging connector and charge ports, now called the NACS, on their equipment and vehicles. Before we continue, if you like this type of content, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on post notifications to keep up to date on everything going on with Tesla. Tesla's decision to open up its EV charger and connector design has not just been a benefit to those other companies. Since the network operators have already got plans in motion to incorporate an ACS at their chargers, Tesla owners can now look forward to charging at their other networks without adapters. Tesla's commitment to expanding its supercharger network ensures it remains a dominant player in the charging space, positioning the company to capitalize on the growing market and secure its millions in revenue for years to come. Overall, Tesla's supercharging network isn't just about the present, it's about future-proofing the company's revenue potential. As electric vehicle adoption continues to rise, so does the demand for charging infrastructure. There is also interesting news regarding Tesla's supercomputer Dojo. According to a note by Morgan Stanley analysts led by Adam Jones, Dojo can open up new addressable markets for Tesla that extend well beyond selling vehicles at a fixed price. The analyst stated that Tesla's Dojo supercomputer could power a near $600 billion jump in the automaker's market value by boosting the adoption of robotaxis and its software services. Tesla started production of the supercomputer used to train artificial intelligence models for self-driving cars back in July, and plans to spend more than $1 billion on Dojo through the next year. The custom-built supercomputer is expected to elevate Tesla's capacity to train neural nets using video data, which is critical to the computer vision technology powering its self-driving efforts. While Tesla has already got a large NVIDIA GPU-based supercomputer that is one of the most powerful in the world, the new Dojo custom-built computer will use chips and an entire infrastructure that is all designed by Tesla. The Dojo supercomputer has been built from the ground up by Tesla and is focused on pure machine learning, meaning that it is not backwards compatible with existing products on the market, but it's also been designed specifically to power the next generation of AI-based technology. With Dojo, Tesla is expected to finally be able to take full advantage of its extremely large database of real-world driving scenarios, which it has been accumulating through millions of vehicles for years now. There is also opportunities to grow revenue. So what is the hidden potential in this latest venture for Tesla? Well, according to Morgan Stanley, the Dojo supercomputer project could open up more markets for Tesla. It can be the device at the edge, with a camera that makes real-time decisions based on its vision field. Earlier this year, a Tesla account released a graphic highlighting several optimistic projections for its AI efforts, including the start of the Dojo production in July 2023. Tesla also projected that its computer will be among the top in the world by January 2024, and by October of 2024, Tesla is expected to hit 100 exaflops. The development of Dojo and the company's training of its models are crucial portions of Tesla's effort to deploy advanced AI to its consumers. This is extremely important for solutions such as autopilot and FSD, which are designed to replace human drivers on the road, and Optimus, which will help to perform tasks that are boring, repetitive, and dangerous. From Tesla's previous updates, it's expected that this supercomputer will power the future generation of Tesla products. After its initial announcement, several Tesla investors expected to see further information on this microchip, as well as the practical applications of the chip and its uses for the new processing power and machine learning specialization. Based on its expectations for Tesla, Morgan Stanley raised its revenue estimate from Tesla's network services business to $335 billion in 2040, from $157 billion earlier. Its analysts also expected Dojo to drive the value in software and services at a very high level, and to account for more than 60% of Tesla's core earnings by 2040, nearly doubling from 2030. Following Morgan Stanley's upgrading on Tesla to a buy from a hold, Tesla shares climbed 5.8% in pre-market trading, marking a significant increase in Tesla's stock price. Tesla's upgrade to overweight and its move to top pick could mean that autonomy could potentially be a reality sooner than previously expected. Although Tesla analyst Adam has raised his price target from $250 to $400 based on Dojo alone, so imagine what would happen when supercharging is factored in. It's going to be huge. But what do you think about the supercharger network and what it will do for the future of Tesla? Let us know down below. And if you want to know more about what Tesla's been up to over the last few days, go ahead and click on this next video on your screen. See you there.